tie interceptor done. I believe I said online over at Scale Model Addict that finishing the tie interceptor had me wanting to finish out the Bandai tie collection as I have it, which in this case means moving to the 1/72nd scale Tie Striker from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. This being arguably the oddest looking TIE fighter in Star Wars canon as we sit. As you can see from the sprues, we have again the multi-part wings, which are good, the standard base, the mix of decal and or sticker, and these solar panels, of course the Striker being designed to fly in atmosphere, these things are huge. I mean, each one of these panels is as long as my hand. So when this is sitting next to the others in the set, it's going to stand out. But rather than ramble anymore, I think I'm going to get started. Alright, like with the TIE Interceptor, excuse me, like with the TIE Interceptor, the pilot and controls go together fairly quickly. And again, I'm showing this because once it's inside the cockpit, you're probably not going to see a whole heck of a lot. Alright, as you can see at this point, I've got the middle pod, the main pod, assembled and mounted on the base, at least temporarily. We've got 4 chin guns, and the mounting for where the wings are going to go. Of course, obviously those are going to be the next step. And what we have at this point are the completed solar panels. All that's left now is to build the mount between them and mount it to the main body. Alright, as you can see, raw construction's now complete. Decided not to angle her on the base because angled on the base, or rather angled to the side like I've got the other ties, it tended to want to fall over. As you can see, I've got the wings in the up position right now. At this point, she's ready for blackwashing. Alright, at this point, we're going to call the TIE Striker build done. Like with the TIE Interceptor before it, it's a very, very quick build. What I've done is I've gone in using the same tester's blackwash I used on the TIE Interceptor and basically covered the whole thing. Wiped off the excess with some cotton swabs. The wings are posable, but I think I prefer this ship with the wings down. As you can see, it's packed with detail. Can't quite make the pilot out in the cockpit. His wings are so much longer than the ones on the other ties. And of course, you know, it really does look odd when you put it next to one of the more standard ties like the Interceptor. But unlike them, this one is actually designed with the idea of flying in atmosphere in mind, which is why the wings are so big and why they will pivot up and down. Now what I'm going to do here is go ahead and put some stills at the end of this, and thank you all for watching.